Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to remove phone number from TikTok. So let's begin our video. So guys, first of all you need to open your TikTok application, and then you need to go on your profile like that. On the bottom right corner there have the option profile, so just go here and now you can get this profile like that. Okay, after that what should you do? You just need to select at the top right corner your three line menu bar icon, select it, and after that you get a option settings and privacy, so just select it. Now at the first option manage account, so just open it, and now you can get this option phone number, so click it, and there have a option you can see at the last option, you can see unlink phone, so select it, then continue to unlink, then you can get a verification code on your phone number, so just wait, then select it.
319822 আপনার ওটিপি হচ্ছে 319822 আপনার ওটিপি হচ্ছে
Okay, done, done, and
319822
now I got this number phone, so now you can see my phone number already removed. So in this way you can remove your phone number, or you can unlink your phone number from TikTok very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.